I'm grown. That's the fire department. Oh my gosh. Oh. They got 3 trucks outside. Oh, this is so embarrassing. This camera got me looking all kind of crazy. Don't worry about this because I'm about to get this together. But what was I saying? I didn't mean to put that much on because I didn't know this one was this bright. I haven't done a full face of makeup in a minute. I usually just, if I do anything, I always do my eyebrow and probably pop on some lashes. That's pretty much it. But oh my gosh, on my outfit. Today is kind of gloomy. I'm not too upset about that because I will say for the last years of my birthday, I don't remember it ever raining or not being nice and sunny. But I have been very, very, very skinny all my life. So skinny that my aunt, hey Aunt Rhonda, she used to call me Boney Sandwich. So freaking skinny all throughout high school. I'm 5'8". I've been 5'8". I feel like all my life since middle school. Yeah, I always remember being taller than all the boys and everything. I weighed 114 throughout my whole high school years. 114 on a 5'8" frame. Girl, I used to wear a 00, and I had no problem with that. I wasn't like, oh, y'all, I'm so skinny, I'm happy. Y'all wasn't sad like, oh, I want to have a little curves. I was happy and content with my size. Fast forward to the last 4 years, I started picking up weight. I'm like, oh, cool, this is fun. Now I got a little curves, a little extra. And then it seemed like it just kept coming and coming and coming. And the ladies in my family are top heavy, except for me. But looking at them, I knew if I was going to gain some weight, I definitely was going to gain it in that area. And let me tell you, I'm a girl that I do not like wearing bras. Never did. Always went braless if I could in the outfit, if it looked good. I just hate bra. Now, I done gained a couple pounds and can't go braless, so that's already a sad thing for me. I always like bright, vibrant colors. I never wore black too much back in the day because I was already skinny, and black make you look smaller anyway, so I was like, I don't need no black to make me look skinny. And then I just like fun, vibrant colors. But the last couple years, it seemed like all I've been gravitating towards were black outfits. I didn't pay no attention. I was always wearing black, and I started wearing neutrals, colors that I never used to wear like that. And then recently I was talking to my man. I'm like, babe, I think I'm wearing black because I don't feel comfortable showing my body. I think it's a mixture of just maturing, and I don't want to wear V-necks and push up my, I don't want that all out, and I don't want to look a certain way anymore. Skin tight outfits. Nothing wrong with you if that's what you do what you do. No judgment here. I wore all those outfits all year round, belly shirts, half shirts, summer, winter, fall, and I might still get back into it if I feel like it, but I just changed my style. I didn't feel comfortable wearing that anymore. When my style changed, apparently I stopped wearing colors, and just recently I was like, you know what, I'm gonna start putting colors back on because I like color. I'm gonna start putting colors back on and get back into wearing colorful outfits. This summer, I did me a little summer haul, shopping spree. I'm gonna put the video up soon, but I brought so many fun, vibrant colors that I would have never worn. And my outfit today, bless you, for my birthday, is so freaking pretty. It's colorful, vibrant, getting back into all the colors that I love to wear. I'm so excited to show y'all my outfit. Even though it's a little gloomy outside, I said I don't care. I'm not changing my outfit. I'm wearing this nice, vibrant, bright summer color. It's my birthday, and I'm gonna have fun. So let me finish putting this face on, and I'll be back when I have my outfit together. Back, y'all. Finished getting dressed. I am on my way out the door. It's my birthday weekend. I want to share with you some fragrances that I received from my friends over at LUXSB. If you're not familiar with LUXSB, LUXSB is a fragrance subscription company. You can try 3 fragrances each month for as little as $15.95, but if you use my discount, which will be down here, you will save 30% on your first subscription. So You could even fill out a questionnaire and it will send you what fragrances they feel like you would like. Or you can let them know what fragrances you would like to try. They have women fragrance, men fragrance, unisex fragrances. A lot of fragrances that you might not even see at stores. Like, they have so many. So you need to check out their website. They come in these sleek, pretty bottles. Different colors. When you twist it and the fragrance pops out, you can open it and it says the name of the fragrance on the side. So the first one is a cologne that I got for my man. This one is Versace Eros Flame. It comes in that red bottle. I'll probably pop it right here so you can be familiar with it. OMG, when we first got together, our first Christmas, I brought him the original Versace Eros, the blue bottle. It smells so good. I'm not going to spray it on because it's his cologne and I'm getting ready to go out and I want to smell like me. It's intense and I'm quite sure he would love it. Look on the website and it will tell you the notes of each fragrance. The next two are perfumes for myself. Ooh, isn't that pretty? This one is Julia Has a Gun, Magnolia Bliss, and I'm going to wear this one. Lately, I've been into floral smells. I don't know what happened to me because I was not a floral girl. Now, that's all I gravitate to. It's giving citrus mixed with floral. Lately, I've been loving layering my fragrances, so I'm going to put this one on top. Oh, another one is in the pink. This is Jimmy Choo Lilac. This is pretty mild. You know how some days you want to smell like a nice fragrance, but you don't want it to be too strong? Or with me, I'm headache prone, so sometimes I can't wear perfumes. But this one seemed like it wouldn't bother me because it's not as loud. Therefore, I'm going to mix it today. Really soft, elegant, and them together is giving me what I want. Spraying both of them on. Spray it in the mouth. If you want to save 30% on your first subscription with LUXSB, use my discount code. Thank you, LUXSB, for providing me with these fragrances. Just sprayed my fragrances on as you saw. I think Juliet Has a Gun. I'm going to carry that one in my bag. I'm going to be carrying my birthday bag. First time carrying it. Well, I'm using Fenty Skin, the whip. This smells so good and it feels so good. And I have the small jar. And that only come out on special occasions because the bigger one, everything went up in price. I think the bigger one is like $50 now. So, I might have to keep buying a smaller one until somebody buy me a big one. Lotion in my feet. And grab my sandals. And I'm going to show y'all the outfit that we have on today. My B-Day outfit. I'm already feeling like, yeah, my skin about to break out. So that's going to be a no. Keep y'all Shein bags. I usually keep mine so I can pack up my sandals when I'm done with them for the summer. Put them away. I have these little sandals from H&M last year. I never even wore them. Nice, clean. Never worn. So I can pop these on today. Shirt is from Shein. Pants is from Zara. Shoes from H&M. Bag is Brandon Blackwood. Running out the door, and I'll get a full review for y'all later. Let's go.
Like at a Cookout Food, BJ's Bar and Grill, the place we wanted to go to, it was packed, so we couldn't go there. And we just wanted to grab some appetizers before we do our tip. So let me show y'all the girls. Kia, she's touching up her makeup. This Renee, drinking her root beer float, little baby, and mommy. Hey.
But I need you now. Yeah. I know I gave you all you needed. I know what you like. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. You feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Said I'm reading birds of my mind. I'm I mean to get you free of the mind. Say your body talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, I love.
It's going down. So let's get ready to put, oh shit, get ready to put the food on the grill, and the grill just caught on fire. No food on there, right? No food is on there, so that's fine. We try to call out the fire department for them to come and put the freaking grill out because we don't have a fire extinguisher. So yeah, that's all right. We're going to get another grill as soon as they come and help put this fire out, and we are going to be okay. I just don't want to catch onto that wood right there. Oh my gosh. Happy birthday!
Oh my goodness.
That's the fire department. Oh my gosh. They got 3 trucks outside. This is so embarrassing.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, look at all the firemen.
They all suited up, Amia.
I told them it was a little small.
Loving your body, baby. Get me what needs to me. I just wanna let you know.
Why you gotta face me?
I want to face you, baby. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Taylor. Sing. How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now? I'm grown. Go ahead. Ooh, that's good.
It's a good girl.
Oh my god. For real.
That's some homemade butter
Spicy beans.
What them candles taste like?
That dang on frosting I made.
I thought you talking about something. You know they can edible candles. Yeah. Edible candles.
Alright, so what them candles taste like?
Happy birthday to you.
You want a piece now on there? One of the good way to cut it?
Kid said she need some slices, all of them, just to kill her.
Yeah, I'm gonna just do 3 on one plate.
That was a lot of slices on the piece.
What's this for? Me. How many slices you supposed to be getting? 2.
Happy birthday.